I'm Michael Stokes and I'm Head of Employment and Immigration at HCR. We work with clients of all kinds, large PLCs, multinational companies, giving advice, HR advice overseas sometimes, charities, local authorities, police forces, private sector, SME, all kinds of clients giving all sorts of advice. We solve the sort of problems for clients that keep them awake at night. We try and make their life easier. We try and tell them when they can do things. We try and help them do things rather than tell them they can't do things. We're very practical, and we try and make their working life easier so they don't have to be lawyers. Whether they're issues about drafting contracts in the first place when they're hiring people, protecting the business in the contract of employment, dealing with disputes, dealing with change, sort of thing that happens all the time that can paralyze an employer sometimes and worry them. We're here to remove that worry and to give them options, to tell them what they are able to do rather than tell them what they can't do. If you're dealing with human beings in a workplace, anything can happen, and clients often aren't sure, they don't feel confident about dealing with a situation that they might be fine with at home, but in the workplace they worry about it more and they're worried about potential legal complications. And so we're trying to reassure them, help them sleep at night, solve those problems in a practical way, give them confidence for doing it this time and the next time round. My top tip for clients is to get advice early. 20 minutes, half an hour on the phone with an employment lawyer who knows what they're talking about is going to save you many hours of employment lawyers' time and expense later on. It's a false economy to think that you'll put it off until later on. You wouldn't do that if you had a burst pipe at home. Don't do it at work when you're looking after tens or dozens or hundreds of people who are your employees.